Okay guys, so Sephora reached out. They have a major beauty junkie that just needs help decluttering. I feel like we're the perfect people for the job, and I want to show you guys. Are you ready?
Yeah. Good.
Her
Okay,
name's
yeah.
Adonajah.
Let's
Okay,
see.
you ready?
Great. Let's see it.
Okay.
My name is Adonajah Holmes. I'm 25 years old, living in Los Angeles, California.
Oh, she's cute.
Here's where the magic happens for me. Over here on this spin thing, I have all my foundations, concealers, and contour sticks. These are more brushes because I will be taking this as my travel kit.
Okay, messy.
Almost 11 eyeshadow palettes in total. These are the bigger sizes. Here are just my makeup wipes and usually like my cleansing makeup remover.
There's like space to work with.
Thank you so much for tuning into like my vanity and my makeup. I've had so much fun creating this video.
Okay, how are you guys feeling about Adonajah? My biggest thing that I'm noticing is like, are we gonna be able to get the stains out of the makeup in the vanity? Like, I don't even know if it's gonna look different afterwards.
It's a little gross.
We've seen worse.
Also-
We've always seen worse, just remember.
Lazy Susans, they
Oh,
gotta
you hate
go.
them?
I hate them for makeup.
You shouldn't be having a Ferris wheel on your tiny little desk. You just need a good little Lysol wipe.
Get some
elbow grease in there, you know?
Yeah.
Just really make it happen.
Okay, I feel good.
No, I feel good about it.
Hi,
nice-
Caitlin. Nice to meet you. Are you excited for today? Are you nervous?
Super excited. I
Yeah.
mean, I'm a little anxious because we will be getting rid of some things.
It's okay. If there's anything that you're like, wait, I'm gonna wake up in the middle of the night sweating because I didn't want to get rid of
Right,
it. Like,
that's fair.
Do not be afraid to tell us, but like also be a little ruthless. I promise you, this is like, it's the best thing. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, absolutely. So I have tons of makeup for beginning because I am a performer. I've been dancing most of my life. I've been doing women's basketball for the Sparks team.
That's so
So yeah, I know, I love it. We're in the season. I'm ready to get rid of some things.
Honestly, we'll just get into it.
We're the dream team.
Great.
We are the dream
We make
team.
magic happen.
So cool.
Yes.
Okay, sounds fair. So this is where the magic happens mostly. I just got finished doing my makeup, so I come and I sit. Over here, I try to keep all of like my foundations. Like most of this stuff is from Sephora. I have hella concealers. That's pretty much it. As you guys can see, we can start off from wherever you guys think.
I feel
Yeah.
like it would be good to just go ahead and clear out the top.
We'll start with the edit and then we'll organize after, obviously just seeing like what you have left over.
Right. Okay.
Jump into the edit.
All right, let's do it.
What's your like go-to kind of makeup look? Like, is this like your everyday?
I honestly just do like a basic no eyeshadow, just like a basic base. But when it comes to performing and doing stage stuff, like I'm always gonna do a dramatic
Totally.
eyeshadow look, like things
I
like
love
that.
Let's move through eyeshadow palettes.
Okay.
I'm obsessed with this one, obviously.
Yeah, box of
Okay,
could
so
use
what's your favorite thing in this pile here that I have?
all of it.
Girl.
Okay, so
Is there anything here that you haven't used in the past year?
Anything that you're not like hell yes at, it has to be a hell no.
So this is a hell no.
that's a hell no.
Okay, goodbye.
Very
Let's go
fair.
through your like go-to brushes daily real quick.
Okay, so daily, this is like my contour brush, my nose brush. I use this for powder, blush.
We got to talk about this. What are we using all of these for?
It's for my clients.
Got it.
Yeah, but some of them were because, you know, I did tan in the summer.
It is good to have a kit, but
Correct.
maybe we narrow it down. It might be a good idea to just maybe have the one bottle or the two. Are there certain ones that you just see right now that you're like,
All these three.
Perfect.
I don't use these three. Fair.
so all of these are good to go? Would you like to say a final goodbye?
Bye.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you dating right now?
I am not dating. I am currently single.
Me too, girl.
Yeah.
That's good. No, dating in LA is so freaking tough, girl.
Yeah, you mean
What's your worst dating story? You smiling like you have one.
because I do. I just don't know if I want to share it.
Please share. All we've talked about is makeup. We have to know.
One guy I met, right? We kissed. It was nice, right? Then after he like took his tooth out. Yes.
The main teeth, like the front two teeth.
That is crazy.
It was like the front. It was
Okay.
one of the front two teeth. So yeah.
That's a little tongue access.
Oh my
Stop right there.
Is that too crazy?
I get it, but
No, yeah, no.
If it's out of sight, out of mind, you're never gonna see it. So that's why acrylic is really good, especially in a vanity.
Right.
You spend every single day in this area of your home, and it's like to start your day with like chaos and clutter. It's just like bad vibes on the day. Okay, we're ready for you.
Oh my God! Wow, it's so beautiful.
It's a crazy
so
before and after, right?
Yeah.
This is so perfect, you guys. Thank you so much.
Of
You
course.
have no idea.
I kind of think through all my steps. So
Okay.
your blenders, your brushes, your
Yes.
finishing sprays, and we have concealers, foundation, contour bronzer,
My
brows,
face stuff.
face powders. These, anything that's too big, don't get overwhelmed if it doesn't fit.
Yeah.
Organization should literally just be that, like you're in your bed and you're like, okay, where is my palette? You know where it is.
I love this.
But now, like, you don't need to rummage. If you're like, okay, whoa, I'm running a little bit late for that
Yeah.
game, you know exactly what
Where
drawer
to
you're
go.
going to.
So cute. Wow.
And then, I mean, there were kind of like a lot of empty spaces, no?
yeah, I feel like, we
So
did get
maybe
rid of
we
a
could
lot
like
of stuff.
replenish some stuff?
Sure, yeah. Replenish with what though? I mean,
We have a little surprise.
oh my gosh! Sephora, thank you! Thank you guys
This
so
is a little gift from
much.
Sephora, and I personally cannot wait to
Wow.
see you look inside
Yeah.
because I think you're gonna be
We're gonna start off with
pleasantly
a little
surprised.
first. My brushes.
Yes.
Yes.
Two brushes.
You want to unpack those?
Oh my gosh, do you want to do the?
Yeah.
The
Want to do the
honors?
honors? And it's
Thanks,
funny because
Sephora.
now you know exactly where they go.
Right.
They have a
You
place.
see?
There is a reason.
Brushes.
Brushes,
label.
the label, just in case you
I know.
forgot. I do have to ask though, because we finished, because of the celebration, can you teach us a little victory dance, Miss Dancer,
Okay.
for us to celebrate
Stop
the
it.
new
I'm dead.
you?
Okay, sure.
Are we gonna mirror you?
Yeah, so
Okay.
we could all like, I guess, face the mirror.
I ain't doing this by myself. Y'all better line up.
Oh
Yeah,
my
come on.
gosh.
So we're gonna hop to the right
Okay.
and punch.
Okay.
Hop to the left and punch. Punch. Roll your body.
Oh.
Yeah. And then
There you go.